Good morning everybody, Mark here from Pondworks. Just out here having a look at this pond we built probably a bit over 12 months ago now, and there's been a lot more work take place. We've got a lovely setting. The covers are on the chairs here at the moment, but have a look at how well this is growing in. Now I have just been in here doing a bit of maintenance, so we have stirred the water up. It was absolutely crystal clear when I got here. But look at this, no longer have we got all that raw stone and more or less the plants are slowly encasing, really naturalising those edges. So yeah, truly magnificent setting. Dual falls. There's actually a bio falls tucked up in there behind that lamandra, and we've got water flowing out both sides. This is actually a 2-pump system as well. So there's 2 pumps sitting in here, and but yeah, remarkable, and what a wonderful setting. Good bushland setting behind there as well. So if you think you'd like something like this in your yard space, then by all means get in touch and let's see what we can do for you. All right, have a great day guys. Cheers.